Okay, so I am on my iPad and I am going to click on the Shopify app and it's going to pull up the order I have to fulfill today. So once I click on one order to fulfill, it's going to then bring up the order. Okay, so I then click on that for more information as regards to what the person ordered, their address, their phone numbers, and things like that. I would then click on create shipping label. And I do everything from Shopify, which is really great. Okay, so now on this screen, what you will then do is verify the package that you'll be shipping with in the actual weight. With Shopify, you can preset what that is going to be. And so I'm just reviewing to make sure that is accurate. And then the next thing you will do is then select which shipping service you would like to use. I normally use Priority Mail 2-day shipping for all of my orders, even though my shipping cost does not cover it 100%. I don't want my customer paying the full amount. I do pay some of that as well myself. So once I select the Priority Mail 2-day shipping, I then click on Buy One Shipping Label. Okay, so this is the next screen that pops up, and then I click on Print Packing Slip. And then this is what the packing slip looks like. And then I click on the printer button. Okay, so now once you get done with printing out the packing slip, the next thing you'll do is print out your shipping label. What you would do, you have two options. You can click on where it says print label, or you can click on the purple box near the bottom of the screen where it says print shipping label. This is what the label look like. I have the shipping preset to print out my labels this way because I do not have a Dymo label printer. I print all of my shipping labels from my printer. I bought the 2 labels to a sheet from Amazon, and so what I do is just put it face down in my printer and it'll just print one shipping label for me that way. So you don't have to have a Dymo label printer. You do have options to printing it directly from your printer. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to show you how you are able to reprint your shipping labels and reprint your packing slip. There's been times where I've sent it from my iPad or sent it from my phone to my printer, and I had the wrong paper in the printer, so I had to do it again a second time. So it's kind of tricky on where you go to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and show you now how you are able to reprint some of those items. So what you would do is you would select on all orders, and then the orders will populate on the left side of the column. You would then click on the order that you need to reprint. Once you click on that, the order will then move over to the right side of the column, and then you'll see where it says fulfilled with the little green circle next to it. There are 3 little dots at the end. You would then click on those 3 dots. Then this box will pop up. Once this box pop up, you are able to then click on print packing slip. Okay, so once you do that, then the actual packing slip will pop up, and that's how you do that. Now, if you need to reprint your shipping label, you would then go back to that same screen and you would click on reprint shipping label. And like I said, I use my desktop printer, so I would click on 8.5 by 11 inch for desktop printers. Once I do that, it'll then populate the shipping label for me to reprint. Okay, you guys, I hope that was helpful for you. Those who are new to Shopify and are maybe using their mobile device or an iPad to ship orders, I hope that was very helpful for you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and also tag your IG page in the comments so we can follow each other on social media and support one another. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you how I package this order.